everyone has dreams from bachpan, during school days, college days, मैं doctor बनूंगी, ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी. But then in my case, it was a little different. Mine was not something achieved, on a golden platter or everything ready. I lost my father when I was very young in school days. But then it came, ठीक है, this has come through. Yes, your daughter will do something and show you. So it was not a person who was guiding me as an inspiration, but I don't know whether the inspiration was put into me by my father who's no longer there, but it was always there that yes, it is me and I can do anything, whatever I want to do. And in this journey, I can say yes, during those days, my mother played a very important role, because without her, I wouldn't have been where I am today. After doing my 10th, I did my 12th, and then the journey begins where I finished my graduation. But during those times, it was also that I had to work, I had to earn, and then take myself forward. During that time, I have worked at a couple of places. I was also working at a stock exchange, and from the stock exchange, I could see a beautiful building, Taj Mahal Hotel. And then the journey began from there. I applied, I joined there as a management trainee, and I went forward. For a good 14 years, I was with the Taj in the hospitality segment. And it was a real pleasure working in a 5-star hotel, understanding those small, fine nuances. After that, I said, it's enough. Now in the hospitality sector, I moved on to Crossroads. Crossroads being the first mall of the country. And again from there, I joined a developer, working with the developer. And then again, it's now 22 years, let me move on. When I joined Today Global, my interview was taken by Mr. Bhavesh Sir. And it was very pleasant. There was no fear that I'm going for an interview and the promoter is talking to me or is going to interview me. But it was a very pleasant discussion, and there I joined. Met Mr. Badresh Shah also. Both the promoters have always given a free hand to take this journey forward, and they are always open to any changes required or any suggestions welcomed by the promoters. Also in Today Global, I am working with a bunch of boys and girls who are all very young. These young kids give me the energy. Every day get up from my bed and say, I have to go to work today. So today, working with the younger group, I feel I am young. I have gone 20 years back, and it's a pleasant journey for me every day. And hence, this whole thing, which was within me, whether it was my father or the Almighty, which always gave me the guiding force that do it. What will happen? Things might go wrong once, but not always. Things will be the best someday. And yes, it has proved for me that I was my inspiration and I have done it.